So for people who are asking me, Chacha, can you show us how to fix cluster lashes? Ngwanu, this is it. So this is my cluster lashes. I got it from Shein. So this one are lace bond. This one is seal and lace bond, is 2-in-1. And then this pin is very, very important. Ngwanu, you understand me? So if you have these three things, Ngwanu, your cluster lashes is a go for you. Make sure you have this brush. Then you take your bond from Shein, then you apply, you lift up like this, you apply under. The cluster lashes have different numbers. They have from 20 to 10, okay? So now I'm going to start with I think 16 will go for me. So I will start with the 16. This is the 16. You just pick. You can see this is how it looks. You begin apply bond for the tip, just like that your already made lashes, so that the thing go gum well. You take them like this. Can you see that? Simple as ABC. So can see that. My hair is looking zeze. Just compare this one and this one. This one made pattern. This one is looking zeze. That's some period. Like cluster lashes, it gives that, you know, that cat eye zeze eye look. Like, you need to learn it for yourself, because if you want someone to do this for you, it's quite expensive, trust me. So better focus on Chacha video and learn for yourself. You see under, not put on for the skin, no, just your under natural eye. Just simple, guys. Just need to practice, repeat. You are good to go. Mistakes can happen. It's normal. Don't have to feel disappointed or frustrated. All right. So you give it a try again. Just like that. There's no harm in trying. So now we go to number 10. Everything is perfectly done. Okay, so now I'm going to use the seal. This one will make it to last. My look change. Just skip back, forward. My look change, right? Go and get yours and learn from my videos. You will thank me later, trust me. Now me they test you. I learn now for now present, and today I'm perfect. Ngwanu, you understand me? So see ya. Shop kiss.